भारतीय उद्योगपति गौतम अडानी से जुड़े अमेरिकी केस में कई नए मोड़ सामने आ रहे हैं। अमेरिकी न्याय विभाग ने मई महीने में अदालत को बताया था कि वो गौतम अडानी के खिलाफ दायर मुकदमा आगे नहीं चलाना चाहते, लेकिन ब्रुकलिन स्थित अमेरिकी डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज निकोलस गारोफिस ने इस पर कई सवाल खड़े किए हैं, जिसके बाद इस बात की दुनिया भर में चर्चा थी कि क्या इन सवालों से अडानी ग्रुप के केस को खारिज करने पर कोई खतरा तो नहीं। तो इन तमाम संशयों को अमेरिकी वकील क्रिस मैन ने दूर कर दिया है। अमेरिकी वकील ने कहा कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज के सवाल से अडानी ग्रुप के केस को खारिज करने पर कोई खतरा नहीं है। क्रिस मैन ने यह सभी बातें एएनआई को दिए एक इंटरव्यू में कही हैं। इसके अलावा उन्होंने क्या कुछ कहा, आइए आपको उनकी पूरी बात सुनाते हैं।
It is a fairly routine process. The government, the prosecution, the Department of Justice has great discretion in deciding whether to bring a case and whether to dismiss it. Once a case is filed, the judge has to approve a dismissal, but I'm not aware of any instance where any judge has ever refused that happening.
Hmm. Can Judge Groffis refuse DOJ's request to drop a case?
It's unclear. The rule seems to allow for that, but it's not, like I said, it's never happened in practice. And as a constitutional matter, it's unclear how that would even proceed. The judge would have no power to force the government to prosecute a case that it doesn't want to prosecute.
How do you think will DOJ react to this?
I don't think they will be that phased. Essentially, they gave a short answer, and the judge has asked them to give more of an explanation. So I think the Department of Justice shouldn't have any problem doing that. They're going to come back with a little bit more thorough analysis, and I think that will be sufficient for the judge. I would be very surprised if the Department of Justice gives an explanation that will not be accepted by the judge.
And how long do you think the process will take?
It's unclear. The judge gave the government until July 13th to file a response. And if they take that full time, we'll see. They might respond sooner, which they ought to be able to do because this shouldn't require a lot of analysis on their part. But I think once that's done, the judge will take it under advisement and will decide how quickly to proceed. But I think we're probably talking about a couple of weeks, not months.
Right. And what can Adani Group do? They can appeal against it, right?
I think if the judge were to deny the request to have the indictment dismissed, I think the government and Adani would both have the right to appeal.
Right. Thank you. Thank you so much,
I would expect
sir.
that they would prevail.